Most people think billionaires are born into wealth or have extraordinary luck. The truth is, many started as ordinary individuals with no special advantages, yet they transformed their lives through strategy, persistence, and smart decision-making. In this video, we'll explore the real stories behind ordinary people who became billionaires step by step and reveal lessons you can apply to your own financial journey. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss actionable strategies for wealth building. I'll also mention a couple of tools in the description that can accelerate your journey. Step 1. Identify a real opportunity. Every billionaire started by spotting a real opportunity. They didn't chase trends blindly or rely solely on luck. Instead, they focused on solving problems people genuinely faced. For example, Jeff Bezos noticed the potential of e-commerce when the internet was still young. He understood that people would want to buy books online because it solved the convenience problem. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey leveraged media to address underrepresented voices in television, recognizing a gap in the market. The key lesson: pay attention to unmet needs and look for areas where you can offer unique solutions. For beginners, tools like Tube Mastery can help you identify online opportunities and monetize content effectively. Check the description for details. Step 2. Start small and validate ideas. Most ordinary billionaires didn't start with huge investments. They started small and validated their ideas. Consider Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She started with $5,000, testing her hosiery prototypes and iterating based on feedback. She didn't spend millions up front. She validated her idea by creating a product people genuinely wanted. Validation helps you avoid costly mistakes. Test your concept with a small audience, gather feedback, and refine your offering before scaling. Platforms like Digistore24 make it easier to start selling digital products or services with low upfront investment. Check the description for recommended tools to explore. Step 3. Develop a system. Scaling wealth requires more than a good idea. It requires a repeatable system. Billionaires often structure their daily operations for efficiency, allowing them to focus on high-value tasks. An effective system is essential for consistent growth and efficiency. Schedule dedicated time blocks to focus on high-value tasks and ensure steady progress. Implement automation for repetitive tasks, saving time and reducing errors. Additionally, create a clear workflow that guides prospects or customers seamlessly from initial discovery to final purchase. This structured approach maximizes productivity, improves conversions, and allows your business or side gig to scale successfully over time. For instance, Bill Gates structured Microsoft around scalable software development processes. Systems allow you to work smarter, not harder, creating leverage that compounds over time. For online entrepreneurs, Tube Mastery shows how to create a structured content and monetization system that can generate consistent revenue. Check the description for details. Step 4. Take calculated risks. One defining characteristic of billionaires is their ability to take calculated risks. Unlike reckless gambling, strategic risk-taking involves analyzing opportunities carefully and understanding the potential outcomes before committing resources. These individuals are willing to step out of their comfort zones when the potential reward justifies the risk. For instance, Mark Zuckerberg made a pivotal decision to leave Harvard and dedicate himself entirely to developing Facebook, a move that carried significant personal and professional risk. Similarly, Warren Buffett is known for investing in undervalued companies when others are hesitant, demonstrating confidence grounded in careful research and long-term strategy. The common thread among these success stories is that risk is never taken blindly. It is measured, informed, and aligned with a larger vision. Step 5. Scale strategically. After validating an idea, billionaires scale strategically. Growth isn't just working longer hours, it's multiplying output efficiently. To scale effectively, focus on efficiency and strategic growth. Outsource tasks to experts in non-core areas such as editing, research, or customer support to save time and maintain quality. Automate processes wherever possible, including emails, content scheduling, and follow-ups, to ensure consistency. Additionally, expand your offerings with complementary products, services, or digital content, creating multiple revenue streams and maximizing the impact of your efforts while supporting sustainable long-term growth. For example, Elon Musk scaled Tesla not by doing every task himself, but by creating teams and systems to handle production and innovation. Strategic scaling allows ordinary people to achieve extraordinary results. Step 6. Build authority and reputation. Authority and credibility are critical in turning ordinary beginnings into billionaire success. People are willing to follow and invest in those they trust. Billionaires establish authority by consistently demonstrating expertise and credibility in their fields. They share knowledge through content, interviews, and media appearances, showcasing insights that educate and influence others. They back their authority by delivering consistent, measurable results through their ventures, proving reliability and skill. Step 7. Track and optimize performance. Continuous improvement is a hallmark of billionaire success. Ordinary people become extraordinary by tracking results and optimizing strategies. To effectively track and optimize your business or side gig, focus on several key metrics. Monitor revenue per client or product to understand profitability. Analyze conversion rates on sales funnels and marketing campaigns to identify areas for improvement, and evaluate engagement and retention within your content or products to gauge audience interest and satisfaction. Step 8. Diversify income streams. Billionaires rarely rely on a single source of income. Diversification creates stability and maximizes growth opportunities. To strengthen and expand revenue, adopt multiple strategies for diversification. Combine your core products or services with digital offerings to reach broader markets. Integrate affiliate marketing or complementary partnerships to create additional income streams. Richard Branson expanded the Virgin Group across industries, creating multiple revenue streams that support long-term wealth. Step 9. Commit to consistency and patience. Consistency and patience are often overlooked, but are essential for long-term success. Many aspiring entrepreneurs abandon their efforts prematurely because they expect instant results or rapid financial gains. Ordinary individuals who become billionaires understand that wealth accumulation is a gradual process. They adhere to structured systems, carefully monitor performance, and continually refine their strategies based on measurable outcomes. Each day's small, deliberate actions, when repeated consistently, accumulate over time, creating significant momentum. To accelerate your growth, I recommend checking out Tube Mastery and Digistore 24, linked in the description. These tools provide practical strategies for monetization, scaling, and building multiple revenue streams. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay updated with actionable insights that can help you grow wealth and turn ideas into reality.